In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Magic Studio AI tools. Canva's Magic Studio is an amazing feature that allows you to enhance your design process by integrating AI tools directly into your workflow. Whether you're creating stunning images, graphics, videos, or even exploring 3D designs, Magic Studio has got you covered. Let's dive in and see how you can make the most out of these tools. First, you'll want to be on your Canva editing page. If you haven't opened a project yet, go ahead and start a new design, or open an existing one where you want to unleash the power of AI. This is your creative canvas, and from here, you can access all the tools you need to bring your ideas to life. Once you're on your editing page, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll find various options, and what you're looking for is the Magic Media button. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to the AI features that Canva offers, allowing you to easily incorporate media into your designs with just a few clicks. After clicking on Magic Media, you'll be presented with a few options. You can choose between images, graphics, videos, and even explore 3D elements. These categories are designed to help you find exactly what you need to enhance your project. Whether you're looking to add a simple graphic or a complex 3D model, Canva's AI tools have something for everyone. Now, here's where the magic truly happens. You'll notice a text box where you can type in what you want to generate. This is your chance to get creative. Let your imagination run wild and type in a description of the image or media you envision. Once you've typed in your prompt, hit enter and let Canva do the rest. The AI will work its magic to generate the content right before your eyes. It's like having a virtual assistant ready to bring your concepts to life. As you wait for the generation process to complete, consider how these elements will fit into the overall design. Canva's Magic Studio is not just about generating content. It's about enhancing your storytelling and making your designs more impactful. Whether you're working on a presentation, a social media post, or an artistic project, these AI tools can save you time and provide inspiration. In conclusion, Canva's Magic Studio AI tools offer a seamless way to integrate advanced media into your designs, making your creative process more efficient and enjoyable. By using these tools, you're not just creating designs, you're crafting experiences. So go ahead, explore, and let your creativity soar with Canva's AI capabilities. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find these tools as exciting and useful as I do. Happy designing!